So, someone asked about this automatic door, and I thought, sure, I can make a video about it. So this is how the circuit looks like without the wires, and that's how it looks with the wires. Now I expect that you have some basic knowledge about wires in this game, so I'll just go straight to the point. For this project you'll need a logic gate. It can be an AND gate or an OR gate, it doesn't really matter in this case. A gate lamp, preferably an off one, so you don't have to reset it later. 7 Teal pressure pads and 7 door traps. A 3-second timer or a 5-second timer, it doesn't matter too much, it depends on how long you want the door to stay open. And 2 player sensors. Now after you build your door and put some actuators and some wires on top of it, you want to put the logic player sensors somewhere around, preferably like on the 4th block away, maybe 5th actually. Just so you have enough space in between the detector and the door. Now we're gonna place the first start trap. It can be anywhere. I'm just gonna place it here, but you're preferably gonna have it somewhere underground. Then you want to hammer it twice so it looks downwards. It's not really needed, but it's neat, right? And then put a pressure pad right in front of it, somewhere on the 3rd block away. Then you need your logic gate with the lamp on top, and the timer somewhere around. Now we're gonna finish it off with placing a few dart traps. Something like this. Doesn't really matter how they're positioned, but there needs to be some space in between them, so you can place some wires later. Now we're gonna place the second set of dart traps, and the distance in between the 2 sets depends on how fast you want your door to open. I'm gonna place mine somewhere around here. With the ruler tool, you can see what's the distance. I place myself 10 blocks away. Now we're gonna put out all the pressure pads right in front of each dart trap of both sets. And now we're back to hammering. So each pressure pad is on top of the dart trap. Now we get to the wiring part. Don't forget your wires because you're gonna need quite a few. We need to also connect the detectors with a wire and connect those to the dart trap. Now we gotta connect the pad to the lamp, so it activates the AND gate. And now the AND gate connects to the timer and the timer back to the lamp, so it deactivates itself automatically. You also need a wire to connect to the first dart trap. Now it's a play of connecting pressure pads to the dart traps. This dart trap is gonna shoot and it's gonna activate this pad, which is gonna be connected to this dart trap. Now this one shoots there, activates this one, this is connected to another dart trap. This one shoots and activates the last one. Remember that since we need one of the colors to connect, like in the middle, we can only use 3 colors on the doors. Because now we're gonna connect the door to the system. Now the top set must be connected to the middle color, so it's gonna be red. The second set is gonna be blue in our case. And the third set is gonna be green. Not set pairs, sorry. Now we just need to connect them to the door. Now it's almost finished. The door will open but will not close just yet. For the closing mechanism we need to connect the timer to the very last dart trap. Make sure the wire you're using here is not the same that connects with the AND gate, because that will make some issues. Now this dart trap will shoot an arrow hitting this pressure pad, so we need to connect it to the next dart trap. Now this one will shoot and activate in this one, so we'll connect it to the next and last dart trap. Now that's it, that already works. If the sensor detects us, it's gonna activate the door trap, activating the whole system. And after 3 seconds, the door is gonna automatically close. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful.